Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's a little bit close to my heart. To find out why, samahan niyo po ako. So mga kabalen, this is Bernardo's House Blend Iced Tea. It was actually established in 1998 and for some reason, nag-stop po yung kanilang business around 2011. And then fast forward this year, nagbalik po sila via online. And sabi ko nga kanina, malapit sa puso ko ang product na to. Kilala ko ang Bernardo's House Blend Iced Tea when I was still in college sa Holy Angel University. So many memories na talagang nakasama namin this refreshment sa barkada namin when we stayed sa canteen kung saan sila nagsuserve, and we were just strumming our guitars, singing, and with the cold house blend iced tea ng Bernardo's, sulit na ang jamming session namin. So tikman natin ulit. So, the way you enjoy yung Bernardo's House Blend Iced Tea natin is you exaggerately fill your container or your glass with ice, and then as soon as it blends with the House Blend Iced Tea natin, yun yung nagiging additional water natin because yung mga mixture natin are semi-concentrated. One bottle makes 6 to 8 glasses. It is actually best consumed within 24 hours of your purchase. And then, if it's kept refrigerated, you have 3 to 5 days maximum of shelf life. Ang suggested retail price each bottle is just 120 pesos. And they are actually looking for resellers. But if you just want to enjoy yung Bernardo's House Blend Iced Tea natin, you can actually avail them at Denlin's Pasalubong. It is located sa Nepo Mart 1. And then the second branch is located at Santo Rosario Street, corner Villa Angelina branch. So aside from enjoying this, house blend iced tea with ice, of course, you can also enjoy it as a hot tea. Pour it in your cup, you pop it in the microwave oven. Once it's done, enjoy a hot house blend iced tea. Well, according to our orientation with the owner, this refreshment is actually perfect for diabetic and those who are on intermittent fasting, as well as to those who are on keto and low carb diet. And then lastly, available upon request. Pwede nyo pong i-request na no sugar added, and then just add in your sweetener of your choice. Wow! What a refreshing afternoon, guys. So for those who can still recall Bernardo's House Blend Iced Tea from Holy Angel University, guys, if you miss the taste, if you miss the flavor, this is available via online order. So just check out their fan page. Wow! So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kabatch kong engineering sa Holy Angel University. This is available via online. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, hope to see you there. Stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all.